Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've ever caught yourself staring at a simple math problem, wondering why it's taking so long, you're not alone. Whether it's splitting the bill with friends, calculating discounts, or even working through a math problem in class, sometimes basic math can slow us down. But what if you could do these calculations super fast, without reaching for your phone every time? Today, I'm going to show you some easy and fun math tricks that will speed up your mental calculations and save you time. Whether you're at school, at work, or just want to impress your friends, these hacks are going to change the game. Ready to level up your math skills? Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Squaring numbers ending in 5. Let's make squaring numbers that end in 5 really easy. If you see a number like 25, 35, or 85, here's the trick. Take the first digit, multiply it by the next number up, and just add 25 to the end. Sounds simple, it is? Let's try it with 25 squared. Take the first digit, 2, and multiply it by the next higher number, 3. That gives you 6. Now, just add 25 to the end. So, 25 squared is 625. Now try 35. Take the 3, multiply it by 4, and you get 12. Then, just add 25 at the end. 1225. This method works for any number ending in 5. You could even try something larger like 95 squared. Take 9, multiply it by 10, and add 25 giving you 9025, way faster than using the calculator. Tip number 2. Multiplying by 5 made easy. Let's know a super easy trick for multiplying any number by 5. Here's how it works. If the number you're multiplying is even, divide it by 2, and just add a 0 at the end. If it's odd, subtract 1 to make it even, divide by 2, and then add 5 at the end. So, let's start with an even number, like 24. Multiply it by 5 first, divide it by 2, which gives us 12. And now just add a 0. 120. Simple, right? Now for an odd number, like 27. Subtract 1 to make it 26. Divide that by 2 to get 13. And then add a 5 at the end. 135. This works for any number, big or small. Try it out with some random numbers while you're watching. Multiply 42 by 5, or 63. Once you get the hang of it, multiplying by 5 will be a breeze. Tip number 3. Doubling and halving for quick multiplication. This next tip is perfect for those moments when you need to multiply two large numbers but don't want to waste time. It's called doubling and halving, and it's a quick way to break down tricky multiplication problems. Let's say you need to multiply 25 by 16. Instead of multiplying them straight, double one number and halve the other. Double 25 to get 50, and halve 16 to get 8. Now, multiplying 50 by 8 is way easier. It gives you 400. Try this out with different numbers, like 36 times 25. Double 25 to 50, halve 36 to 18, and you've got 50 times 18, which is much easier to calculate. This trick works really well when one of the numbers is even. It saves time and keeps your brain sharp. Tip number 4. Multiplying by 11 in seconds. Multiplying by 11 might seem tough, but I promise it's one of the simplest tricks you'll ever learn. Here's how it works for any two-digit number. Just add the digits together and place the sum in between them. For example, let's take 23 times 11, add to and 3, which gives you 5, and then put that 5 between the 2 and the 3. So, 23 times 11 equals 253. If the sum of the digits is 10 or more, no problem, just carry over the extra. For instance, 67 times 11, add 6 and 7, which is 13. Put the 3 in the middle and carry over the 1, making the result 737. Easy, right? Try it with some other numbers like 45 times 11, or even 92 times 11. You'll see how quick this method really is. But before going further, if you are enjoying this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help us grow 6,000 subscribers. Let's go back to the video. Tip number 5. Subtracting from 1000 instantly. Finally, let's talk about subtracting from 1000. This trick makes it super fast to subtract large numbers without writing anything down. Here's the secret. Subtract each digit of the number from 9, except the last digit, which you subtract from 10. Let's say you want to subtract 647 from 1000. Subtract 6 from 9, which gives you 3, then subtract 4 from 9, which gives you 5, and finally subtract 7 from 10, giving you 3. So, 1000 minus 647 equals 353. This works for any number you subtract from 1000. Try it with 834 or 579. Once you get used to this, you'll be able to do large subtractions almost instantly. And there you have it, 5 awesome tricks to help you do math faster and make those calculations super easy. Whether you're in a math class, shopping, or just trying to impress your friends, these tips will definitely come in handy. Let me know in the comments which trick you like the most, or if you got any other cool math hacks to share. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to boost your skills. See you in the next one.